Yes, hello everyone. Hello Anuj, Raja, hello Aji, Mrityunjay, hello everyone. Hello Satya, hello everyone. Okay, so guys, in this session, I'm going to discuss the new topic ratio and proportion. Okay, so if you want to start the session, please write in the comment box, let's start. Then we will start the session. Okay, now let's start the session. So first of all, I will discuss some basic technique to solve this question. All right, just a minute guys. Just a minute. I'm adding some extra PPT here. Just a minute. Okay. So guys, I'm starting the session. First of all, I will tell you some basic questions. Okay. Then we will start the main questions. Okay. Now, guys, if you have a question, let's say A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C is equal to 4 ratio 5, then what will be the ratio of A ratio B ratio C? Yes guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Come on, fast. Yes guys, give the answer in the comment box fast. Okay, so one of the method is A ratio B ratio C is 2 ratio 3 and we have 4 ratio 5 here. Okay, listen guys, in order to find the A ratio B ratio C, what will I do? Multiply these two, get 8, multiply these two, get 12, multiply these two, get 15. Then this will be the answer. This is method number 1. All right, now let's talk about the method number 2. 2 ratio 3 ratio, just a minute, 2 ratio 3, okay, and 4 ratio 5. ये जगह खाली है, ये जगह खाली है. Okay, this place is empty and this place is empty. Now fill this place with the neighboring number, that is 3. Fill this place with the neighboring number, that is 4. Now multiply all these. You will get 8 ratio 12 ratio 15. You will get your answer. So this is method number 2. And the method number 3 is what? You have A ratio B is 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C is 4 ratio 5. Method number 3 is balancing of ratios. That is, here B is 3 and B is 4. First of all, we have to make them equal. Okay, so we multiply by 4 here, multiply by 3 here. Then this is 8 ratio 12. This is 12 ratio 15. Then B is same now. Then A ratio B ratio C is what? 8 ratio 12 ratio 15 is the right answer. Nagendra Prasad is asking, sir, how is your health? So to all my students, actually I'm not feeling well today also, and I was not feeling well yesterday. That's why the class is not conducted. So, and also I'm not feeling comfortable today, so I'm going to take your class up to 7 p.m. only. I will teach you extra class on tomorrow. Okay, yes, so I will teach this class up to 7 p.m. okay dear, because I'm not feeling so much comfortable today. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks to all of you, my dear students, for giving me so much love and respect. And just because of you guys, I feel always energetic and feel always happy. All right. Now, so guys, please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now, I'm giving you a question. Please try to. Yes, Naresh, this is first question. Now, please try to solve this question. I'm giving you a question. Please try to solve that question. All right. Now, the question is, if A ratio B is 1:2, B ratio C is 3:4, and C ratio D is 2:3, then what is the ratio of A ratio B ratio C ratio D? What is the ratio of A ratio B ratio C ratio D? And you have three methods. Apply one of the method out of these three methods. Please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Yes, guys. Please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Yes. So for this method, guys, I'm telling you, this method is best. This method is best. Okay. For this question, A ratio B ratio C ratio D. Okay, Sayan Das, Anush Sharma, Pradi is commenting. Very good. So this is 1:2. Okay, this is 3:4. This is 2:3. Okay, this place is empty. This place is empty. This place is empty. Now fill this place with the neighboring number, that is 2, 2. Fill this place with the neighboring number, that is 3. Fill this place with the neighboring number. Fill this place with the neighboring number, that is 2, 2. Now multiply all these and get your answer. That is 3 to the 6. 3 to 6 to the 12, 4 to the 8 to the 16, and 4 to the 8 to the 12. Now divide by 2. This is your 3:6:8:6. This will be your answer. I hope you got the point. Oh, sorry, this is 24. This should be 24, and after dividing by 2, this should be 12. Okay. Naresh, actually, you joined the class very late, so that's why you're not understanding what I'm doing. So always try to attend the class from very starting. Okay, but I will tell you, don't worry. Naresh, fill all the brackets with the neighboring number. Fill all the bracket with the neighboring number. Fill all the bracket with the neighboring number. Okay, I'm filling the brackets. I hope this point is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. Now I will give you next question, and please try to solve that question. Okay, the question is, if A ratio B is 2:3 and A ratio C is 5:7, then what is the value of A ratio B ratio C? Yes, guys, please try to solve this question. This type of question will be asked in your examination. This type of question will be asked in your examination. So if you have A ratio B is this, A ratio C is this, then what is the value of A ratio B ratio C? Yes, guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Okay. So guys, if you are having A ratio B, A ratio C, so in this type of question, the third method is best. As here you are having A is 2 and A is 5, so A should be equal. So we have A ratio B 2:3, A ratio C 5:7. So this should be same. A should be same. So we multiply by 5 here, then we multiply by 2 here. So this is 10:15. All right, and this is 10:14. I hope this point is clear to all of you. So A ratio B ratio C will be 10:15:14. All right, guys. Okay, if you are going by the second method or by this method, then this will be you will face some difficulty. Like, okay, I will do this question by the previous method. So that's why I'm telling you all the possible methods. So apply all the methods according to your question digits, question numbers. All right. So if I am going to do this question by the this method. Okay, then a ratio b is what? 2 ratio 3. A ratio c is what? 2 ratio, sorry, 5 ratio 7. Now fill with this neighboring number. This is the only neighbor of this, that is 3. Now here you will face a difficulty. What number you will fill in this bracket? Because this is the neighbor, this is the neighbor of this, and this is also the neighbor of this. So this will create a huge confusion. So please don't do this type of question by this method. But you can also do, you can do this question by this method also. Then there is no problem. Just listen, guys. A ratio b is what? A ratio b is what? 2 ratio 3. Yes, Naresh, I'm telling you by the previous method. Okay, and a ratio c. Now we have to join a ratio c with a ratio b. Then there is a link of a in this. So since a ratio c is 5 ratio 7, then we can write c ratio a here. That is reverse ratio of this. Means 7 ratio 5. So now it will become simpler. And now the neighbor of this is 2 and neighbor of this is 5. Now multiply 14, 10 and 15. And guys, listen, this is not your answer. This is not your answer. You have to find a ratio b ratio c, and this is c ratio a ratio b. So a ratio b ratio c is equal to 10, 15, 14. So this will be your answer. I hope you got the point. Okay, is it okay, guys? So that's why I'm doing by this method. So I'm telling you all these 3 methods. So do apply the method according to the question. Okay, now I am giving you a question. Please try to solve that question very fast. Now you can do this question, then there is no any problem. Okay, now let's move to the next question. You can do this question also, then there is no any problem. Okay, this is in your homework, this is in your homework. Okay, now let's move to the next question. In this question we have been given that rupees 6200 is divided into 3 parts in the ratio 1/2, ratio 1/3, ratio 1/5 respectively. Find these 3 parts. Now please, first of all please try to solve this question on your own. Guys, whenever you are having the ratio like this, first of all you have to convert the ratio in standard form. All right, so you have to multiply with the LCM of this 2, 3, 5. LCM of 2, 3, 5 is what? 30. So multiply by 30. So this will become 15, 10, 6. That is 15 ratio 10 ratio 6. Okay, now divide 6200. So this is 25, 31. This will go 2 times. Okay, so this will be 3000. This will be 2000. This will be 1200. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. I hope you got the point. Is it clear to all of you? Is there any doubt, guys? In this type of ratio, first of all you have to make the ratio in the standard form. First of all you have to make the ratio in the standard form. And for converting in this ratio in the standard form, you have to multiply with the LCM of this. That is I'm doing here. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now guys, please try to solve this question. This question is important also. Okay, Naresh, please listen. This is the first slide. Take the screenshot. This is the second slide. Take the screenshot. 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 Okay, Naresh. Now, guys, please listen. In a factory, the salary of each worker is increased in the ratio 22 ratio 25. Okay, so salary of worker increase in the ratio 22 ratio 25, but the number of workers, all right, number of workers decreased by this percent. So first of all we have to convert this fraction into this percentage into fraction. 26 3 is 78, that is 80/3. And if you want to convert this into fraction, what will you do? Divide by 100. This is 40, this is 50. That is 4. That is 4 by 15. Okay. Now, in this question, we have been given that the number of workers decreased by, that means the initial number of workers were 15. Now, worker decreased by 4, then number of workers become 11. Okay. So, we have to find the net effect on the total salary. Guys, listen, total salary. If you multiply salary into number of workers, you will get the total salary. Okay. This is 22 into 15, 25 into 15. Now, 11 2s are 5 3s are 5 5s are. This is 6 ratio 5. Now net effect. Okay, so earlier the total salary was 6. Now total salary is 5. Now total salary decreased by 1. So total salary decreased by 1 at 6. Then what at 100? That is 16 by. Then total salary will decrease by 16 by 3%. This is the answer. I hope you got the point. Yes. If you got the point, write in the comment box, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. If you face any difficulty, then please comment in the comment box. And please always ask the specific query. Always ask the specific query. Okay, dear? Okay, Nikandar Prasad. Okay. Now listen. In this question, in a factory, the salary of each worker, I'm changing the color of the pen. In a factory, salary of each worker increased by 22 ratio 25 in the ratio this, but the number of worker is decreased by, and I convert this into this. This means initially the number of workers are 15, now the number of workers are 11, and we have to find the net effect on the salary. So multiply these two, we find the net effect on the salary. Salary earlier was 6, now the total salary are 5, then salary decreased by 1. So decrease by 1 at 6, then what at 100? 16 by 3% decrease. This is the right answer. Now, is this question is clear to all of you? Yes or no? Is this question is clear to all of you guys? Now let's move to the next question. Now this is the question. Now please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Yes guys, please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. So guys, in this question we have been given that, listen guys, the ratio of salary of Amit and Veeru. Ratio of salary of Amit and Veeru is 3:2, while the ratio of their expenditure is 5:3. If each saves rupees 1000, then what is the salary of Amit? Then what is the salary of Amit? This we have to find. Now listen guys, salary of Amit and Veeru is 3:2 salary, and expenditure is what? 5:3. Guys, always remember one thing. Always remember one thing. Whenever the savings are same, the difference of the salary and the difference of the expenditure should be same. Why? This is I'm showing you. Listen guys, please listen. If salary of, let's say I'm talking apart from the question, if salary of A is 10,000 suppose, and salary of B is 8,000. Okay, if now difference is what? 2,000. If saving of A is 1,000 rupees and saving of B is 1,000 also, I'm talking apart from the question. Now expenditure become 9,000. Now expenditure becomes 7,000. What is the difference now? That is 2,000 again. So I'm telling you, when the savings are same, then the difference of the income and the difference of the expenditure should be same. Is this point is clear to all of you or not? Yes or no? Comment in the comment box. So this is an example, right? This is an example. Now listen, by this example, I can say Yes, Naresh, what I'm talking about, I'm not talking about the question here, I'm talking about the example here only. So now in this question, the difference of Amit and Viru is what? 1. Difference of expenditure is what? 2. Then this should be same, as the saving is 1000 each. Now this should be same. Now multiply by 2 here. So this is 6 ratio 4. Now this is called the balanced ratio. This is called the balanced ratio. This means if the income of Viru is 4 and expenditure is 3, then saving is 1. This one is equal to 1000. 1 is equal to 1000 rupees. So 6 is equal to 6000 rupees. So this is the salary of Amit. This is the required answer. I hope you got the point. Is there any doubt? Then ask me. Yes guys, is there any doubt? Then ask me. Or I can do this question by the x also. Then there is no any problem. I can do this question by the x also. Listen. Rajesh Sandeep is asking why multiply by 2. Rajesh Sandeep, please listen. When the savings of two persons are same, then always remember the difference between the salaries and difference between this expenditure should be same. That's why here the difference is 1, here the difference is 2. So make them equal. In order to make them equal, I multiply by 2 here. All right. Now listen, I can do this question by x also. Amit and Viru. Let the salary of Amit is 3x and Viru is 2x. Okay. Now this is the salary and expenditure is what? 5 ratio 3. Guys, listen. If salary of Amit is 3x, if I subtract saving from here, then what I will get? Obviously expenditure of Amit. If the salary of Viru is 2x, if I subtract 1000 saving from here, then this would be the expenditure of Viru, and this is the expenditure of Amit, this is the expenditure of Viru, and this ratio is given as 5 by 3. Now solve this question. 3 3s are 9, 3000, 10x, 5000, x is equal to 2000. So x is equal to 2000. Then salary of Amit is 6000 rupees. But guys, this is the lengthy process. So always go by the shortcut method. Okay, but I can say both the methods are good. I can say both the methods are good. You can apply any of these two methods. All right. Is it clear to all of you? If yes, write in the comment box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next question is this. In this question, we have been given that, three persons ABC are having rupees 72,000 as total salary. If they spends 80%, 85%, 75% of their salaries respectively, if their savings are in the ratio 8 ratio 9 ratio 20, then what is the salary of A? Now please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Now guys, please try to solve this question. So I will do this question by two methods. Number 1, percentage method, and number 2, ratio method. Okay, now the method number 1. Okay, so we have A, B, C. Ratio of their savings is 8 ratio 9 ratio 20, and expenditure is what? 80%, 85%, 75%. Now listen guys, if the expenditure is 80%, then saving must be 20%, 15%, 25%. Here the saving is 20% and here the saving ratios is 8. Guys, listen, why I am doing like this? We have the total salary of all of them. Now in order to find the salary of A, I have to distribute this 72,000 in their salary ratio, but we don't have the ratio of their salary here. Okay, we don't have the ratio of the salary, so we now try to find the ratio of the salary. Okay guys, now this is 20% is equal to 8, then 100% is equal to what? 40. 25 is 8 5 is 40. 15% is what? 9. 1% is 9 by 15 and 100% is 9 by 15 into 100, that is 20, 3, 3 3s are, that is 60. Now 25% is what? 20. Then 100% is what? 80. Okay, 25 fours are 20, fours are 80. So the ratio of their salary become 40 ratio 60 ratio 80. Now cancel this 0. 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. This is the ratio. 4 3 7 2 9, 9 8s are 8. That is 16,000 rupees. That is 16,000 rupees is the salary of A. But guys, this is the long process. So this is method 1. You can call it as percentage method. You can call it as percentage method. All right. Now I will do this question by the officer style method. Okay. So this is one of the method you can apply. This method is called the percentage method. Okay. Now I will do this question by the officer style method. Okay. Now listen. Take the screenshot, please. Take the screenshot, please. First of all, take the screenshot, please. Yes, Vipin, I will. Now, listen, guys. Here we have the total 72,000 salary. This should be distributed in A ratio, B ratio, C. Okay, and the ratio of, and we have to find the their ratio of income basically. So we are having A, B, C. Okay, so this is the savings ratio is 8 ratio 9 ratio 20. Okay, now expenditure, they spend 80%, 85%, 75%. Now listen, guys, this is officer style method. Okay, now I can write this as 4 by 5, I can write this as 17 by 20, I can write this as 3 by 4. Is there any problem? No. Guys, listen, if expenditure is 80%, this means if the income is 4, he spends 4 rupees. If income is 5 rupees, then he spent 4 rupees. Then saving of A is what? 1. And 1 is equal to 8, then 5 is equal to 40. Now listen again. If 17 by 20 means if the salary of B is 20 and expenditure is 17, then saving should be 3. This 3 is equal to 9. 3 is equal to 9, 1 equal to 3. Then 20 equal to 60. Okay. If salary of C is 4, expenditure is 3, then saving is 1. Then 1 is equal to 20. Then 4 is equal to 80. Then this ratio we have to find. Now you can do it on your own. So guys, this is one of the best method to solve this type of question. Yes guys, please tell me, is there any doubt? If you face any difficulty at any step, you can ask me in the comment box. This is a good method to solve this question. Okay. No, answer is not 2. Answer is not 2. Sai Krishna, you are joining late, I think. Okay, Rahul Balihara. This ratio we have to find. So now divide 72,000 rupees in this ratio. 43729, that is 8,000. Now the salary of A will become 16,000 rupees. I think this point is clear to all of you. Okay, Rahul Balihara. Okay, Rahul Balihara, actually I am doing this question by 2 methods. That is, one is percentage method and another one is ratio method. So if Rahul, you joined the session late, please, it is my request to watch the session from the very beginning. Nagendra Prasad, it is a long process to remember these things. So then there is no any problem. This is natural. All right. Yes, Rahul Balihara, please comment again your doubt, dear. Rahul Balihara, please comment your doubt again. I am waiting. Okay, please comment your doubt again, dear. Nagendra Prasad, actually it will take time. Okay, Rahul Baliara, I will tell you, don't worry dear. Rahul Baliara, please listen. As in this question I'm having the ratio of the saving, as I'm having the ratio of the saving here, and their percentages are, okay, don't worry, and their percentages are this. So I can write this 80% as this as this as this. This means, yes, this means if the salary of A is 5, then expenditure is 4, then saving should be 1, then 1 is equal to 8, then 5 is equal to 40. Okay, Rahul Balihara. This means if the income of B is 20, then expenditure is 17, then saving should be 3, and 3 is equal to 9, 1 is equal to 3, then 20 is equal to 60. I hope you got the point. So by this way I find the ratio of the income. I hope you got the point. Is there any doubt, Rahul Balihara? Yes, guys. Okay, thank you so much, Rahul. Now let's move to the next question. This is again very important question, guys. Now please try to solve this question and give the answer in the comment box. Okay, we will do this question tomorrow. First of all, I will do this question. Okay, listen, this question is in your homework. Okay, so this question I will do tomorrow, but first of all I will do this question. Okay, question is rupees 3000 is divided in among A, B and C. Rupees 3000 is divided among A, B, C such that A receives, okay, Naresh, take the screenshot please. Yes guys, take the screenshot please. Okay, now rupees 3000 is divided among A, B, C such that A receives 1/3 as much as B and C together. That means A receives 1/3 as B and C together. Okay, and B receives 2/3 at A and C together. Then what is the share of C? This we have to find. Guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here we have 3000 rupees. Here we have 3000 rupees. So I can distribute this 3000 rupees in A, B, C. Then there is no any problem because we have to distribute this 3000 rupees in A, B, C. And we have all these 3 persons. No one is absent here. So 314, that is 750. So the share of A is 750. And 325, 5, 6 are 30, that is 600. Share of B is what? 1200. Now in order to find the share of C, you add these two and subtract from the 3000 rupees. You will get your answer. Yes. Is there any doubt? Okay, so 1050 is your answer. Okay. Yes, remaining is C. So in order to find the C, you can go like this: 3000 minus, adding these two, we will get 1950. This should be 1050. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, Saindas, what is the problem you face in your video? Please tell me in the comment box, dear. Okay, so guys, this question is in your homework. I will start the tomorrow class from this question. Okay, so take the screenshot of this. And guys, that's all for today because I'm not feeling well, so I'm taking this class. Okay. Yes, Nagendra Prasad. Okay, so guys, because I'm not feeling well, so I'm leaving this class today at this time.